Diamonds on fleek, bitch ain't talking about heat. Put it on, screw.
Okay, so today I'm deciding to show you how to do a slick back, but I'm gonna add weave to it. So we're just about to hop in the video. So right here I'm taking my comb and using the end of it to part a middle part, since I decided I'm gonna do a middle part slick back. So finally, after I decide that I like my middle part, I'm gonna part my hair into about 4 or 3 sections, and then I'm gonna start getting ready to slick it back. As you can see, I finally take my edge wax and I apply it to the roots of my hair. And as you keep watching the video, it's going to be very repetitive. I'm going to keep doing the same thing, adding it to my hair, and then I'm going to brush it just to get a really good slick back ponytail. As I was taking down my front part, I decided I didn't like my middle part anymore, so I'm just going to work from one side of my head and then go around and then do my middle part that way, if that makes sense. So when I get to the front, this is when I start using my comb to make sure that it's really slicked down. This is where I take my Got To Be Glued hairspray and I spray it on my head. Don't spray it on the perimeter of your edges yet because we haven't done those yet. always make sure that I take a really good time on my edges just because I feel like it brings the whole look together. And then when I finish my edges, I decide to spray the hairspray back in my hair again just so it can hold. And then I decide to wrap my hair up into a bun. I take a little bobby pin and I place it into my bun. And then I just start wrapping around from there. As I'm finishing wrapping up around, I place the bobby pin to make sure that it's fully secure, and I take a little piece from my hair and I wet it and comb it out, and then I wrap it around my ponytail so it can hide the track so you can't see it. We're basically done with this ponytail. I just take a spray bottle to the ends and comb it out just because it got a little tangled at the ends, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!